Hello, welcome to the vlog. Weekend Caravaner. My vlog's okay. They're about me going away and different things, but I've decided to do some other sort of little short vlogs on what I do, what I use, that type of thing. So I'm going to do a few little short ones, a couple of minutes long, just for you to have a little look, give you an idea of things that I do you might find useful. So my first one is what I use to wash my van. So these are the products I use to clean my van. Fenwicks Caravan Cleaner Concentrate. It's good for caravans, motorhomes, cars, anything like that. It's pretty good stuff. And I go over with a bit of Silky. I just give the van a bit of a wash. It's like a soapy type stuff. It does good, gets rid of black streaks and those type of things, and sort of bugs and yeah, other little sort of ground in bits. Then the pink stuff, very versatile bit of kit. I use that on, I'll show you on these handles, the plastic, and as you can see it's nice and clean, comes up a treat. Also on the wheel arches, the battery door, that type of thing. Then I wash it all off with a bit of Bobby Dazzler. It's good, as you can see, protective coating for all caravans and motorhome surfaces. And then what I do is I go over it then with super resin polish from Autoglym. That's nice, that brings up some deoxidized areas and that type of thing. It fills the sort of cracks and stuff and polishes, some good stuff. And then just to give it a bit of extra protection, I go over it with the extra gloss protection, which makes the Autoglym Super resin polish last a little bit longer. And obviously the trusty microfibre cloth, plenty of them. I got all these products except for the pink stuff. I had that from Home Bargains or something, but the rest I've got off Amazon, eBay, that type of thing. Now what I use to apply the cleaner and the Bobby Dazzler, as you can see I've written on that one Bobby, so are these pressurized water sprayers. Now, I got these from Tool Station. I think they were £11 something each. Let's call it 12 quid. 12 quid each. As you can see, I'm on a storage facility at the moment. These are great. They good bit of kit. They don't leak. They're good quality. You can buy loads on Amazon and eBay. I looked for all different types, but I found these was quite cheap. There was good reviews, and to be honest, they were really good. I might even leave a review on the Tool Station website about them. So that's what I use. I'm going to do another video of me washing the van. It looks quite clean there, but that's only because I give it a rub down from when we came back from Abergavenny, but it does need a bit of a scrub. Put my sunglasses back on. So they're the products I use. I think I just saw a wasp going in there. I think next door's caravan might have a wasp's nest. I'll have to maybe leave a note on their van to let them know or find out. Anyway, these are the products that I use. Very happy with them. If you use something else and you find them better, or if you use these ones and you agree, please write the comments below and let me know what you think of my little short videos. Just to let you all know, the cleaning products that I use, I've put affiliate links down below in the subscription. Oh shit. Just to let you know, I have included affiliate links to the products used for cleaning my van in the description below. If you do use those links, I do get a small commission, hardly anything. You don't pay any more, but the channel gets a little bit from each sale to help me improve the channel, help me buy other things, review other things, improve the sound quality. I have bought a new microphone to improve the quality. So all the best from Weekend Caravaner. I hope you've enjoyed these shorts, and look forward to seeing you again. Thank you.